You guys is based off Mexico?
Mexico? No, yeah, well, it takes place in Acapulco. But it's I forgot his name, the actor, the famous Mexican actor. He was like...
Alright everyone, welcome back to Automotive Enemy. Today, I'm zooming in on Rob as he shows the young bloods. I'm kidding. So we're at CaliLove / Junkies Crew. Just get together. I do apologize for the shakiness. Sick EK, EJ, Rosie over there. The guys are cooking some meat. It's still somewhat early, I would say. Actually, I got here like around, what would it be? 10:50? Starts at 11. It's probably like 11:30. You know, people are always showing up late. Rob was already here, so somebody was here before me. So we've just been chatting it up with Rob, and right now he's taking the time to, you know, just kind of talk to some of the guys from CaliLove about his mint CIR. But yeah, we're waiting on more cars to show up as we see some coming by. I don't know how big the turnout's gonna be. I'm planning on being here for a couple hours only. I do have another car show I need to make it out. It's like a special invite from my brother, so cannot say yes and then not show up type of thing. But I'll be here for a couple hours. Super fresh here, so I'm not planning on moving. And yeah, I hope you guys like the short footage that we get of whoever shows up. That's a very clean coupe. So Dre is one of the main organizers from the Junkies Crew. Bro, his coupe is very clean. He's been driving it since he refreshed it. He's been driving it a lot more. Went all the way to San Diego a couple times, if I'm not mistaken. So it's looking really mint. I don't know the details on the engine, but I know it's swapped. And he just redid the engine bay last time, so car's mint. The coupe. It's worth saying that I try to go look for Raul, so before you know he starts complaining. Oh, he's gonna park next to me? Oh, thank God he's not. I don't want to make his car look bad, you know, if he parks next to me. I got him to air out. I have to get it. I also had to go look for Raul because he was lost. Uy. Ay, papa. Hey, Rob, that's what money looks like.
What?
That's what money looks like.
I'm gonna build an EF with airbags, okay?
It's not a DA, so it doesn't matter. That would look like a poser. That's what a poser looked like if you do it with the EF.
This is what a winner looks like.
Sick. Ugly ass hat. Hey, I say he builds nice cars. I never said he had good taste in football, so. My homie Raul came through. Beautiful DA. Dragging ass. Alright. Couple more Subarus. S2000 showed up. Very clean S2000 showed up earlier, and then a bunch of Subaru guys showed up. Really like that generation. Civic. Front and rear conversion. Nice. And I really like this. I don't know, they call them Raptor front end, or I don't know what the Raptor front end, Bug-Eye front end. But yeah, super clean. Definitely digging the stance on it. So nice to see different cars show up, you know, and they just Hondas. It's like an excursion.
too.
It's in that car meat.
I was gonna do carne, but she was like, "Oh, it's hard." Ceviche, and I was like, "You know, you're right."
I need to find me a man like that.
I need a man like that too.
Imagine I do this into cars, cooks for me and shit.
You would be set.
Whatever you want, papi. Whatever you want.
Be set.
Nice Integra showing up. Very, very clean. I guess you would say bug eye front end as well. Super nice. Definitely like the stance on it. Very simple too. I wouldn't do anything else to it. Just keep as is. Very nice. It's dope. It's beautiful. A couple more Civics showing up. Very nice. Careful, careful. That one's bagged, I think. Dope. So I had 240 earlier come in. Thing's mint. Right hand drive on top of that. It's beautiful. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to head out in a little bit. Not that many cars were shown on this video. I'm sure there's gonna be more people rolling up after I leave. But like I said, previous commitment, I need to make it out. But yeah, big shout out to the Junkies Crew, CaliLove for setting this up. Raul Martinez with the DA for the ceviche. It was amazing. That's a great cook. And thank you, Rob, for the company, man. So everybody just appreciate much love and look at that beautiful car right there.